Hi everyone, what's up? Good afternoon. This is Matt with Bigben. You're welcome to my YouTube page. Yeah, so we have this question to be solved, and this is the square root of 5, which has a denominator as the square root of 100, followed subsequently as the square root of 160, then 500, and lastly 25. So I want to solve this question and simplify, to the last term. Yeah, guys, during this question, we have to start from the smallest of them all, which is the square root of 25, So that is where we have to start from. After getting the square root of 25, then we can proceed further. So the square root of 25, we all know it is 5, right? So that's good to know. The square root of 25 is 5. Then in place of 25, we'll be using 5. We are done with this particular one. Next, let's go with the square root of 500 all over the square root of 25, which is 5. Okay, so here we have it that the square root of 500 will now be divided by 5, which we got initially. Okay, so let's do the mathematics in there. 500 divided by 5, guys, is 100, and the square root of 100 is 10. Is that taken? So this is done and dusted. So guys, let's proceed to the square root of 160 divided by the just concluded answer. So we have either the square root of 160 all over 10, which we got earlier as stated. So guys, 160 divided by 10 would give me 16. So I have that the square root of 16, and we all know that the square root of 16 is 4, right? So that is good. We are done with that part. Now let's move to the next one, guys, which is the square root of 100. So this implies that we have the square root of 100 all over. We've gotten everything here, and everything at the denominator happens to be 4 as earlier solved. So we have 100 over 4. Is that taken? So guys, we have 100 divided by 4 would give us 25, right? So, and the square root of 25 is 5. Okay, so guys, as you can see, we're making progress. Now the whole of the denominator, excuse me, good. So guys, you see the whole of the denominator, guys, is 5. So finally we have the major bracket, which is the square root of 5 all over the value of the solved denominator. We have it as the square root of 5 all divided by, remember, the square root of the denominator entirely happens to be 5. Is that clear? So that is fine. So we have the denominator to be 5, then we can proceed by having 5 divided by 5. Okay, so this is the whole process involved in a question like this. So we have 5 divided by 5, so which is equal to the square root of 1. We're making perfect sense, right? Beautiful. So, and the square root of 1, guys, is 1, which is unity. You see, as big as this question is, this is just big for nothing. So I hope this question meets you guys well. So this is how simple and sweet mathematics seems to be. Thank you.